must definitely go to Anna's. I want to be skipping. But it lands on this today.
Butuh Leo. Hey.
Ay po, Ghosties.
Nah, you can't even come out of that.
Hi.
I've never had it in my life and I want to. Let's see today.
Okay, why is it like this become a sort?
Because of Bakatela, mga abantu Tibetan.
And Martina elawan mo natin. Hey,
Killing it this season for real, inside.
Iya nga sa yung talungan to mga Olympics. May kung TV.
Yeah.
something I want to have another birthday about.
Okay na, nang pera mga Olympics. Lang na.
Oh, then you shopping
There's no way you got the song, Henry. And if you got the song, then Nyaz sings in 11 that night. It's a studio. And they get to cover Nalu Mutu. Bumanko, what's that? Bima, Henry's lying. There's no way. There's just no way. Unless he stole it from the laptop. Henry. Huh? Guys, Killing It is dropping, but you guys are not doing the challenge. I'm so disappointed in you guys. So disappointed. And I can't wait for you guys to see the cover. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's all I can say. Oh my goodness. Pepe Raba. I'm so hungry. Like I am going. Happy birthday. Guys, I just wanted to say hi, nothing much. Hope you guys are good. You guys are safe. You guys are having a nice Saturday. And I hope to the ladies, you guys had a super women's day yesterday. And I hope you guys felt appreciated. Are you drunk? Oh, what the fuck? Hey, boo. Oh, as we continue to learn. Go to my feed, you'll see the challenge. Go to my TikTok, you're gonna see the challenge. Hey! Happy birthday!